Welcome to our channel, where we provide you with helpful guides and tutorials to navigate through various platforms. In today's video, we will guide you through the process of recovering your suspended X account. Losing access to your account can be frustrating, but don't worry, we've got you covered. Let's get started with the full guide. Step 1. Open your default browser and search for Twitter support. This will take you to the official Twitter support page. Step 2. On the Twitter support page, look for the Contact Us link and tap on it. This will direct you to the contact options provided by Twitter. Step 3. Once you're on the contact page, tap on the search bar and type in About Suspended Accounts. This will help you find relevant information regarding suspended accounts. Step 4. Look for the option labeled About a Suspended Account and tap on it. This section will provide you with detailed information about suspended accounts and the steps to follow for recovery. Step 5. Within the About a Suspended Account section, search for the option Fill an Appeal and tap on it. This will lead you to the appeal process for recovering your suspended X account. Step 6. Before proceeding with filling out the form, ensure that you are logged in to your X suspended account. This step is crucial to ensure that the appeal is associated with the correct account. Step 7. Once you're logged in, you will receive a notification that will take you directly to the appeal form. This form is where you can provide the necessary details to support your case for account recovery. Step 8. Fill out the form with accurate and relevant information. Be sure to provide any additional details or context that may help the X support team understand your situation better. Once you've completed the form, submit it. Step 9. After submitting the form, please allow a 48 to 72 hours period for the X support team to review your appeal. They will respond back with the next required steps to recover your suspended account. We hope this guide has been helpful in showing you how to get your X suspended account back. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials and guides.